What's up mga pards? Another day, another vlog. This is Biharong Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga pards, it's another unboxing vlog. And for today mga pards, i-unbox natin ang gift na pinadala sa akin ng Faces Skin Love. So hindi na natin papatagalin mga pards. Let's go, mag-unboxing na tayo. So, ayun na nga mga parts, shout out kay Faces Skin Love kasi nga pinadala nila ako ng kanilang skincare products. Actually mga parts, this is a very new skincare brand that will be launched in the Philippines September 1. So, kung yung video na to ay lumabas after September 1, so mga parts, available na sila sa TikTok shop and also sa online selling. So, yeah, shout out to Faces Skin Love. Thank you so much for your skincare. And syempre, itatry natin sila mga parts. And then, magbibigay tayo ng feedback sa kanila kung how's my experience with their skincare. Kasi as far as I know mga parts, kung hindi ako nagkakamali since bago pa lang to, local yung kanilang skincare. And later on, I think meron din tong brochure sa loob. So, tingnan natin mga parts. So, yeah. Umpisahan natin sa kanilang packaging. Wow. It's so bright and colorful. Parang ang saya niya mga parts. And ang nakalagay dito is warning, skincare, so fun and fab. It's addicting. Face your new obsession. Yeah, by by Faces Skin Love mga parts. So, yeah. So, by the way mga parts, if you're interested, they have their social media. You can follow them para makita nyo kung ano yung mga brands nila and ano yung mga products nila. In Instagram, in Facebook, and also in TikTok. It is at Faces Skin Love. At Faces Skin Love. Okay, so ngayon mga parts, ay buksan na natin. So, yun mga parts, buksan na natin. So, actually mga parts, second time ko nang maka-receive ng skincare. So, yun din naman yung maganda kasi mga parts ngayon, hindi lang mga babae yung kailangan mag-alaga ng kanilang mga skin, lalo na yung mga katulad natin na umiidad na. Ako, 40 years old na ako. So, it is also very important to take good care of our skin kasi nga, syempre, if you look good, you also feel good, and if you feel good, magiging happy ka. And align with the tagline of Faces Skin Love, kapag happy ka, lumalabas talaga ang natural glow and shine kapag happy ka within. So, syempre, kailangan ring tulungan ng mga skincare kagaya nito. So, buksan na natin mga parts. Yon. Wow! Look! Ang dami. So, thank you so much. Meron sila dito. Hey, beautiful. Thank you for your support, Faces Skin Love. Thank you also. Shout out to Faces Skin Love for sending me this gift. And ito, yung kanilang vision and mission and values. So, I think aligned din naman ako sa kanilang mission, vision, and values. Number 1 is integrity, joyful spirit, innovation, and of course, yung aesthetic excellence. So, yeah. So nice. They also have their own mission, vision, and values. This is, I think, very important for a brand kasi nga dapat yung mission, vision, and values nila is also aligned with the consumer. Okay. And then also they have their skincare range or kung ano yung mga products that they have. So, meron silang different products na ilo-launch or actually launch na siguro to. And if you want to know more, yun nga, as mentioned, you can follow their social media. So, later on, discuss natin to in detail. Wow! So, madami silang pinadalang mga parts. Ang ganda. Cute, oh. It's so colorful. Sobrang happy ng kanilang packaging and branding. Oh, they sent me I think ano to, towel to, na naging teddy bear. Also, they have a shining and shimmering mirror. Para syempre once in a while, check mo naman kung ano, okay naman yung itsura mo. And also, syempre, pag skincare ka, gusto ko to, naglalagay ka ng headband kasi para hindi mabasa yung buhok mo. So, thank you. Meron silang pa ganito. And gusto ko na, ano ba to? Anong animal ba to? Comment down below kung anong animal. Wow! And ito na yung mga skincare nila. Mga products nila, mga parts. They have 4. Number 1 is their Charcola Face and Body Soap. Ayan. So, yung soap nila is charcoal. Kasi nga charcoal. O, ang sabi dito, Charcola or Charcolia. Charcola bar soap helps remove impurities and dirt from the skin. Yung ingredients niya, meron siyang collagen, glycerin, tea tree leaf oil, shea butter, and walnut shell powder. Oh, wow. And also, after that, meron silang vitamin A. Vitamin A retinol 0.5% serum. Oh, this one naman, it decrease fine lines, improve collagen production, and reduce hyperpigmentation, anti-aging, and improve skin texture. Ay, gusto ko itong mga parts kasi nga syempre, diba? Medyo may edad na tayo, so kailangan natin yan, yung mga fine lines natin. So yeah, definitely magagamit natin yan. And also they have vitamin C. So sikat na sikat kasi ngayon mga parts din yung vitamin C. So yung vitamin C naman, it boosts collagen production, brightens skin. Yan, nakakapagpaputi yung vitamin C mga parts. Fights free radicals, boost hydration, and improves the texture of your skin. So this is actually 10% vitamin C serum. Wow. And last but not the least, ito mga parts, I think this is one of the most important skincare routine that you should not missed out, yung sunscreen. And they also have sunscreen, ultralight, dry touch, SPF 50, broad spectrum, UVA, and UVB. So yun mga parts, sa sunscreen, kailangan yung tingnan kung ilan yung SPF niya. And it's also very important na broad yung spectrum niya kasi nga para covered lahat, yung UVA and UVB. So I think this one, since ultralight siya, dry touch, I think yung gusto lang sabihin nito is that hindi siya mabigat sa skin natin. Kasi usually, di pag nag-sunblock tayo, lalo na yung mga guys, yun natin ng malagkit, di ba? Tapos parang, kumakapit yung mga alikabok. So this one, we'll try this one kasi ang claim niya is that it is ultralight. And, matte yung fairness kasi nga dry touch siya. So, aside from that, yung kanilang sunscreen is, 50 ml. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang, so ganito yung itsura niya mga parts. So, tingnan natin. Okay. So, kulay white siya. So, siguro mga parts, please subscribe to my YouTube channel para malaman nyo kung paano ko gamitin or kapag ginamit ko na itong mga skincare nila ng Faces Skin Lab. Ito namang vitamin C serum nila. Tingnan natin yung kanyang packaging. Ganito naman siya. So, kung ano usually yung yung box niya, ganun din yung packaging niya sa loob. And ito namang vitamin A is, it's the same. So nice. Nakaka-happy yung color nila mga parts. And of course, yung charcoal soap nila is, buksan natin. Yeah. So mga parts, meron palang pinadala sa akin na prices si Faces Skin Lab. So yung yung mga skincare nila mga parts, to be honest, hindi sila ganun kamahal. Kasi yun din yung one concern ko when I starting using skincare. Most of them are actually from Korea. Ang mamahal. Siguro nga dahil galing pa siyang Korea, but this one kasi it's local. So, hindi ko babanggitin yung exact na presyo nila per skincare, but it ranges from per skincare. Like for example, yung vitamin A, parang 350 to 400, yung sunscreen 400 plus, Yung soap nila, 200. So, yung isang set na ganito, around 1,000 or 1,100 plus. So, depende yun kung kailan kayo bibili. But, meron silang piso launch that will happen on September 8 at 7 to 10 p.m. sa Faces Skin Lab account nila. I think this is in TikTok kasi magla-live din sila on their launch. So, meron din silang mga promo na additional 10 lucky winners of Perfecting Skin Ritual Set giveaway. Mangyayari din yon sa kanilang TikTok live launch sa kanilang TikTok account. Yun nga yung na-mention ko kanina, yung Faces Skin Lab nila. And the brands or yung mga skincare nila will be available starting September 8 pala mga parts. So, yeah. Kaya kung interested ka mga parts, I strongly suggest that you follow their social media accounts, yung Facebook, Instagram, and also yung TikTok nila kasi I think mas active sila sa TikTok. And makikita mo din yung mga prices doon saka yung mga promo nila. And what's good about also yung Faces Skin Lab, ang babait ng mga may-ari nito at ang babait at ang friendly ng mga may-ari nitong ng Faces Skin Lab kasi nga it happened to be one of my friends. So shout out kay Doc Sander. And thank you very much as well. So, yun mga parts, tapos na naman ang ating isang quick unboxing vlog featuring itong Faces Skin Lab na pinadala nila sa akin. And definitely, we'll use all of this kasi nga mga parts, hindi naman kagandahan yung skin natin ngayon. Pero, yun nga, nagdaan tayo dun sa stage na sobrang dami nating pimples at saka sobrang dry, sobrang oily. But, syempre, through the help of skincare and of course yung mga derma natin and yung mga doctors that helping us to take care of our skin, na-maintain natin na very young looking, wow, and also moisturize and glowing yung skin natin kahit na stressed and lagi tayong puyat. But what I think is very important is that you stay happy, you stay fun, and also the people around you inspire you. Kasi yun naman yung sabi nga natin dito or sabi nga ng Faces Skin Lab, the shine comes from within. And kailangan na happy ka din so that it will come out or it will radiate from the inside. Okay, so yun lang mga parts. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aking short unboxing vlog. Sa mga parts natin dyan na hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and comment down below. I-hit mo na din ang notification bell para like updated sa aking mga YouTube videos. And please follow me in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok also at Bong. So hanggang sa mga susunod kong videos mga parts, stay safe and healthy. Bye!
Minutes, seconds, faster, hurry, make it happen.